Good morning, grade 5. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at your home. So, students, today we are going to discuss our thoughts and questions of the day. So, keep your content book, workbook, and notebook with you and open block number 13 in your content book. Okay, so first of all, we are going to discuss the question of the day. So, question of the day of S1 is how many layers are there in the atmosphere? So the correct answer is 5. S2, which of the following is the outermost layer of the atmosphere? So the correct answer is exosphere. S3, the layer of the earth in which clouds are formed is the troposphere. So correct answer is troposphere. S4, jet planes easily fly in the stratosphere. Now come to the content book. Question number 1 is very easy question, so we will not discuss it. Question number 2, which gases make up the Earth's atmosphere? So the correct answer is the gases that make up the Earth's atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and insert gases. Now question number 3, why is the atmosphere densest near the surface? So the Earth's gravity pulls the gases towards the surface of the Earth, so the atmosphere is denser near the Earth's surface as compared to the outer layer of atmosphere. Question number 4, what is the greenhouse effect? So the trapping of the sun's heat by some gases like carbon dioxide is called greenhouse effect. Question number 5, how does the Earth's atmosphere help in keeping it warm even at night? So the answer is the Earth gets heated up by the rays of the sun. Most of the sun's rays are absorbed by the Earth. Some rays are reflected back. The gases in the atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, trap these rays and do not allow them to go back. Due to the trapping of these rays, the atmosphere stays warm even at night, making the temperature of the earth suitable for survival of life. Question number 6 is, what can we compare the ozone layer to a sunscreen? Why can we compare the ozone layer to a sunscreen? So the answer is the ozone layer is called the Earth's sunscreen as it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun just as sunscreen protect our skin. Question number 7 is, what is the effect of ozone depletion on living things? So, ozone depletion causes the harmful ultraviolet rays to reach the surface of the earth. These rays cause sunburns, skin cancer and other skin diseases in humans. In plants, they cause reduced growth. Question number 8 is, the temperature on the moon varies between 110 degrees to 170 degrees. What could be the possible reason for this? So the answer is the temperature on the moon varies between 110 degrees centigrade to 170 degrees centigrade because there is no atmosphere to block the sun's rays or to help trap heat at night. Its temperature varies greatly between day and night. So these are the question and answer of your practice questions. So now come to the workbook. S1, layer of atmosphere. So in question number 1, you have to draw and label a diagram to show the layers of the atmosphere. So you will do it on your own. Now we will discuss question number 2. How is troposphere different from stratosphere? So, troposphere is denser as compared to stratosphere. It has water vapor which brings about weather changes. Stratosphere contains the ozone layer which is not there in the troposphere. So, these are the difference. Now question number 3. How does temperature vary within one layer of the atmosphere? Give one example to support your answer. So the answer is the temperature either increases or decreases within a layer. For example, the temperature decreases as we go higher in the troposphere but increase as we go higher in the stratosphere. Now come to the S2, atmosphere and temperature. Question number 1. What is happening in picture number A? Question number 2. What is happening in picture number B? So the answer is sun rays is falling on the earth. It is reflected by it. The layer of carbon dioxide does not allow it to escape. Instead, reflects it back or trap it. Okay. And in question number 2, the sun's rays are being reflected again and again. Question number 3, what is different between picture A and picture B? So the answer is, due to the thicker layer of the carbon dioxide, there is more trapping of the heat from the sun's rays. Question number 4, how does this phenomenon help life to exist on the earth? So the answer is, the night temperatures would have been very low as no trapping of sun's heat. Most life forms would not have existed due to this. Question number 5. How do humans affect the amount of carbon dioxide in the environment? So the answer is, humans' activities like excessive burning of fuels and cutting of trees increase the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Question number 6. What is happening due to the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide? So, increased amount of carbon dioxide is trapping more heat. This is causing the average temperature of the earth to increase. S3, ozone, earth sunscreen. So the question is, what is the ozone layer? So the answer is, the ozone layer is a layer of gas in the stratosphere of the atmosphere. Question number 2, what is ultraviolet light? How does it harm humans? So it is a type of light given out by sun. The ultraviolet rays harm humans by causing skin burns, skin cancer and other skin diseases. Question number 3, how does the ozone layer help us? So, ozone layer protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Question number 4, why is ozone generally not found in the lower part of the atmosphere? So, ozone layer is formed in the upper part of the atmosphere. It collects in the stratosphere and hence is generally not found in the lower part of the atmosphere. Question number 5. Why do you think that skin diseases are on the rise in humans? So, answer is, more ultraviolet rays reach the earth due to destruction of ozone layer. This result is in more skin diseases than in the humans. Now come to the S4, the ozone hole. So question number is, what is ozone hole? The ozone hole is disappearing at places and causing gaps or holes in it. The place where ozone gas disappears is called ozone hole. Question number B. Why is the ozone layer disappearing? The use of substances contain CFCs, or you can say chlorofluorocarbons, like sprays and coolants, are making the ozone layer disappear. So question number 2. Draw a diagram to show ozone hole is formed. So you will do it your own. Question number 3 is, how do ozone hole affect us? So the answer is, the ozone holes allow harmful ultraviolet rays to pass. It harms plants, animals, and causes skin diseases in humans. Question number 4. How would restricting the use of substances that release CFCs helps? So the answer is, it prevents the depletion of ozone layer further. The hole may even get repaired as ozone is being continuously formed in the upper part of the atmosphere. So these are the answers of your workbook. So see you in the next class. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.